A major Middle East refinery faced severe CO₂ corrosion in their main amine column. This challenge threatened reliability and carried the risk of costly emergency shutdowns, with potential losses of up to $2.5 million per day. The refinery had worked with Integrated Global Services since 2017 to improve furnace efficiency using high emissivity ceramic coatings. In 2019, IGS was selected again to address amine corrosion in the main column using high-velocity thermal spray, or HVTS. The initial HVTS application on trays 30 to 33 showed excellent results during inspection in 2021, with no CO₂ pitting corrosion. Based on this success, the refinery expanded the 2023 scope to protect trays 16 to 23, covering more than 240 square meters. In addition to the main column, IGS also protected the heavy gasoline stripper, Amine regenerator, reboiler, and a heat exchanger. The application secured all treated areas from further corrosion attack. With a 4-year turnaround cycle, the refinery now operates with peace of mind, confident in the long-term protection of its equipment. The project not only prevented further corrosion, but also safeguarded production continuity, avoiding unplanned shutdowns and major financial losses.